small kitchen cabinet installation, Tunga, Moalboal Cebu. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you to Tunga, Moalboal Cebu, where our team completed the delivery and installation of a custom small modular kitchen cabinet, designed for both functionality and modern aesthetics. This kitchen was built using marine board and PVC foam board, finished with a beautiful melamine linen grey laminate. To add warmth and visual contrast, we also incorporated an open walnut display cabinet, creating a clean and contemporary design. As the cabinets arrive on site, our team carefully unloads every component to ensure they remain in perfect condition before installation begins. Each cabinet is positioned according to the approved layout, then carefully leveled and securely installed. Precision is essential throughout the process, allowing every panel, door and cabinet section to fit together seamlessly. One of the highlights of this kitchen is the overhead cabinet with integrated LED strip lighting. Once illuminated, the warm lighting enhances the overall design, creating a bright, elegant and welcoming atmosphere while adding both style and functionality. The open walnut cabinet provides the perfect space for decorative items or everyday essentials, adding natural warmth that beautifully complements the linen grey finish. As the installation progresses, the kitchen is transformed into a practical and modern living space. Every detail, from cabinet alignment to the final finishing touches, reflects our commitment to quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. We would like to thank our valued client in Tunga, Moalboal Cebu, for trusting us with this project. It has been a pleasure bringing your vision to life, but thank you for watching. If you're planning to build or upgrade your kitchen with custom modular cabinets, feel free to contact us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow our journey as we continue creating beautiful and functional spaces. See you in our next project.